everybody, this is KrypticNexus, also known as Anthony, and today we have the Solos Jaguar USB and 3 sockets. Three sockets of what? Okay, anyways, so I bought the, wow. So I bought this for the wife, so I need to get it unboxed so she can use it. Anyways, wow, that's all that's in the box. Alright, so we have a cable, and in the bottom is most likely a fuse. If not, oh my god, yep, little wire resistor fuse. Slide the nipple back up through the hole, put the nipple on the nipple. Yay! Oh, nope. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, yay! Okay. So in here, they're going to be taking, because this is, oh shit, both 12 volt and 124 volt. So there will be a regulator in here to regulate the current from 24 volt down to 12, or a switcher, you know, all this running 12 volt, whatever. There's going to be some electronics in here. I don't really feel like taking it apart because these grounding posts can be a son of a bitch to put back in. Anyways, so we have 3 cigarette lighter adapters and a power button, and 2 USB ports that look a little wonky. Do I have any USB ports at hand? I'm gonna check my desk drawer. Yes, shit. So yeah, that goes in that way, so there's one. Can I get it in the other one? Yeah. Okay, so they're slightly tilted, but you can still get USB devices in that. Okay, I want to see what's inside of this, so let's see what's inside of it. Good thing I didn't check what screws it had. I just assumed Phillips because everything uses Phillips. If it uses star bits, that's when you start getting into higher security stuff. But this low security shit, it don't matter. No, there we go. So the front just pops off, or the back pops off, however you want to look at that. Oh my. Oh my. Can we get this? Oh, the board comes out really nice and easy. Look at that. Okay, so we have 3 USB leads. Fuck. 3 USBs. No, they're 3 LEDs. We have a, I don't know what that is. I want to guess that's a resistor or an inductor. Right here, you can't see it, right here. Then we have 2 caps. Wow, some tiny writing. Chung is the cap's manufacturer. One is 105C rated, and this one's 10 volts. Looks like an 105C. Also, there's our USB ports. Wiring has some white stuff on it. I don't know. And then here's our button. Doesn't sound terrible. Good separation there. Oh, we got a little chip on the bottom. Wow, Chip says something, but I cannot read that. Can you read it, camera? Power of camera. Oh, so close. Nope, that just made it worse. MC4036A 1408. I don't know. But the board itself, as you can see, is fairly minuscule. There's really not much on it. Mainly power supply to power the LEDs. So I wonder if that's what that's doing. Resistors. So we got the power coming in through there, goes through here, feeds back through here. Fuck if I know. So this could be a power regulation board. But now, I don't know how the fuck to go back. This goes back together. Yay, magic, it's back together. I wanted to read some parts off the box because, oh my god, I thought it was hilarious. Superpower 120W. It's suitable for more products at the same time. Stable current, put. Can protect the equipment safely. 2 USB output, 1200 milliamp. Blue LED lamp is gorgeous and romantic. 3 socket in a row, concise and beautiful. Streamlined design is more fashion. With power control button, more safety for use. Alright guys. Alright, let me put this back together real fast. Alright, it's back together. So, when I was putting this back together, I noticed one thing, and that was that the power button board, the little board it was on, should have had a screw, but it doesn't. So, that was why it was a real pain in the ass to put back together. Other than that, it's back together. It should work just fine. Now I can give it to the wife. I got this at a discount from the seller for an honest and unbiased review. Honestly, it really depends on how bright these blue lights are. They are super easy to take off. As you saw, you just cut them off. No big deal. But yeah. Camera, stop wiggling. I got it on a monopod today. Anyways. I got this at a discount for an unbiased review. And I think I did a good job. I know my wife can use it. She only has one USB port. USB. Fucking Christ. Whatever cigarette socket thing in her car. So, she definitely needs it. Because she has a... She has a TomTom... Sirius radio or XM, one of the two, and then her phone. So she constantly has to switch out things. So definitely needs this. Oh fuck! Anyways, enough stupidness. This has been Anthony, also known as KrypticNexus. If you liked the video, please subscribe you know you want to subscribe. Anyways, I put this content out Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes I do random videos on the weekend. Just depends on how I feel. Anyways, it's been me. You'll see me in the next one.